Alrighty, so as you can see, it's on spin mode, but the drum is not rotating, only that disc below. So the problem is this thing. That's one. That's the drain motor that is not working. And this thing was supposed to pull this lever using that metal string you can see right there. That's gonna unblock the drum gear from right there, you can see, and then the drum is gonna rotate, but this motor is not functioning, so it's not pulling that lever. So I have to open this thing and gonna check the motor, or we may have to replace it. So let's open this thing and check that out. So to access this motor, you need to remove the bottom panel, and I've removed it already, and so many dust is there, you can see. So that's the drain motor, and two screws are there, giant screw, that's the one, and one on this side. So you need to remove these two screws, and this is a 2-pin connector, so you need to remove that too, and then you gotta check the motor. But before doing that, you need to remove the string from that socket right there, so let's do that. Alright, so the work is done now, and there was not a major problem in that thing. There was some gear problem in that drain motor box, so I just fixed that and connected it, and that's the common problem for not spinning the drum. And you may have to replace this thing, and also I was supposed to replace this thing, but before that I just opened that thing and checked it. The motor was fine and it was working. There was some gear problem, and I fixed that up. So, and I was not sure about that, so I didn't shoot that, but if you have a problem just like this, not spinning problem, you may need to change this drain motor box. It doesn't cost much, around 500 or something like that. And you can see that's the metal cable right there, and that's gonna pull this lever, and this is gonna pull the lock from right there. You can see that gear, that's the gear of drum, and then the drum is gonna start spinning. So now let's have a look at that. You can see the motor that pulled that lever to this side, and that valve is open now, and also the lock from that drum gear is moved. So now the drum is going to move in a few seconds.